Good morning to you all.
Good morning.
Good morning to you all.
Machi.
Mama Machi o. Mo want to say. Mehoye papa. Mama Wachi means good morning in Akan. Mehoye means I am fine. In our villages, when, as I said, we wake up in the morning, the younger ones greet the elder ones, and then they ask them, how are you? And they say, Mehoye, meaning I am fine. Or if you are not fine, you tell them, I'm not fine, and then they will ask further, what is wrong with you? They said, I have a headache or whatever, and then they'll give you some medicine. In our villages, in our towns, we live in communism. We don't live individualistic. So any elderly person can teach your child the right way.
That's right. That's village living right there.
It doesn't matter who you are, what you have, or whatsoever. A child is a child. And when you give birth to a baby, it doesn't belong to you alone, it belongs to the whole community. As a result of that, everyone in the community can teach the child the right way. If the child is misbehaving in public, anyone who is an elderly person can beat the child, hold the child's hand, bring him to the house, and the parent will add more beatings. Because the child is for the community, it's not for you alone. So a child wakes up and greets all the elders in the house, and then they bless the child. Those blessings pronounced on you goes with you forever. So for us, we are here, we are all family members. And our family name is called Africa for the Africans. Everybody have wished Bomani well, except I alone. So I have to add my words. What I have to say is in the form of a poem. I wrote this poem so many years ago. When I was in middle school, for one of our teachers that I love so much. He came from a terrible family, very poor family, and the word poor is in capitals. Very, very poor family. He was the only learned person in the family. So one day he told his story, and I started putting down some things. I'm going to recite this poem, and at the end of it, I know my brother Bomani will know what I want to say. It goes like this. They have cast me out. They have cast me out. They have cast me out. Who are they? They are my own men. With words, harsh words, they cast me out. With thee, cruel thee, they cast me out. With signs, remarkable signs, they cast me out. But for the enemies to devour, they have left me alone. All they want is my downfall. But God has set something in me. I am a light. I am a light that shines in the darkness.
Yes.
I am a light that no one can put me off. I am on top of a hill. I go so far like the eagle. I soar so high. I can see what is happening on the ground. Wisdom God has given to me. Knowledge God has given to me. Strength God has given to me. God has built something in me that no one can take it from me. No matter who you are, no one can take it from me.
Say it.
God is my guardian. God is my leader. God is my director. He will direct me from where I should move. My steps are ordered by the Lord. No matter what you think about me, I am Esther. I am Esther. I am Esther. A star for Africa. A star forever. Bumani, you are Esther. God bless you.
Thank you, my brother. Appreciate the energy.